Hello students, good morning. Today I am here to teach you how to make a paper house. I am showing you these two as a sample. So first of all, we need two different kinds of scrap papers, a scissor, a ruler for measurements, Fevicol and a sketch pen for drawing. So let's get started. At first, we will take a square of 15 into 15 centimeter. Now we have to fold it in half. After folding this, we have to fold it again into half. It will look like this. From the upper portion, we have to fold it again. Then it will look like this. When you open it, we have to fold it from the corners also. It will look like this. Afterwards, when you open it, you will get the initials of the folds. Now turn it again. Now you have to cut from here. You have to cut this portion. After cutting this, open it and cut it into half. So you get these two. The next part is, here you have to, in this portion, you have to put Fevicol and you have to stick it like this. Same with the other one. So you will get it like this. Afterwards, what you have to do, you have to cut out the doors and windows. And there is a circle for vent also. Now what we have to do is, we have to stick them from both sides. Like this we will stick it. Alright. Next part I am showing it on this. After sticking the windows and vents and door, we have to cut it like this. From two sides only we have to cut. Now we'll add some glue. Same at the other side. So it will look like this. Now we have to take another colored sheet, and on that we have to measure 11 into 5.5. This will be 5.5 side and this will be 11. Now we have to turn it into half. It will be our slope for the hut. Now we'll add glue on this upper portion. and we'll stick it here. So in this way we got different kinds of huts. You can draw them in any color of your choice. Thank you and have a great day.